Hello, my name is Brianna Moran and I'm a fourth year undergraduate at Colorado State University in Health and Exercise Science. Today I'll be talking about reduced processing speed but not force accuracy and how it predicts bimanual dexterity in older adults. This study was aimed to determine the relative contribution of motor and cognitive abilities in bimanual dexterity. We have found that in older adults, processing speed emerges as the most significant predictor of the bimanual dexterity task. This study included 19 older adults and 19 young adults that performed a series of motor and cognitive tasks. Each participant performed a bimanual dexterity task, which was measured using Purdue pegboard assembly, in which they made an assembly of 4 items using both hands in 1 minute. Next, you see an asymmetric bilateral force control task being performed. Here they were asked to track 2 different sinusoidal force trajectories. As one hand would increase force, the other would decrease, and vice versa. This was used to measure the average RMSE between both hands. This task was performed asymmetrically in order to best represent the similarity of the pegboard score, which used the hands in a bilateral manner. In order to measure their motor abilities, maximum grip strength was measured for each hand, and through this, we calculated relative grip strength. Stroop test allowed us to get the Stroop interference. However, only 18 participants were included for older adults for this task. Lastly, visual search task allowed us to measure processing speed. It was quantified as response time from the appearance of a target stimulus to the pressing of the spacebar. In looking at figure 2, we can see that all comparisons are significant between older adults and young adults, except for figure C, which shows almost no difference between the 2 groups in relative grip strength. This tells us that our older adults had a very high functioning motor skill. Figure 3B, however, shows the relationship between pegboard score and the average RMSE between 2 hands in older adults, which there is no correlation. All of figure 3 shows correlations only in the older adults. As we look at figure 3C, we can see similar results with the relationship between pegboard score and relative grip strength. However, the relationship between pegboard score and response time is shown in figure 3A, which shows a negative correlation in older adults. This meaning that the longer the response time took, the lower the pegboard score. Through this study, there shows to be a significant contribution of cognitive abilities rather than motor abilities in bimanual dexterity among older adults. This is shown by having reduced processing speed during selective attention to be associated with poor bimanual dexterity in older adults. Thank you.